If you work with Leonardo AI and want to quickly organize your favorite illustrations, this video is going to help you do exactly that. Today, I'm showing you how to like and unlike illustrations in Leonardo AI in just a few simple steps. This is useful if you want to save the images you love, keep your library organized, or remove a like if you change your mind later. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more fast AI software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Leonardo AI and head to your image tab or your library. This is where all of your generated illustrations are stored, so it's the easiest place to find the image you want to work with. Once you're in the library, scroll through your creations and locate the illustration you want to like or unlike. You can use this step whether you're reviewing a recent generation or going back to an older image you saved earlier. After you find the illustration, click on it to open the image details. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the controls for that image. Look for the like button if you want to favorite the illustration or the unlike button if you want to remove that like. Simply press the button once and Leonardo AI will update the status immediately. If the illustration is already liked, clicking the same button will usually switch it back to unlike. That makes it very easy to manage which visuals you want to keep highlighted in your library. This is especially helpful when you generate a lot of images and want to quickly separate your best results from the rest. It also helps you stay organized without having to download every image or create separate folders manually. So to recap, open your image tab or library, find your illustration, and then use the like or unlike button on the right side to update it. That's all there is to it. Quick, simple, and very useful if you use Leonardo AI often. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.